Hello everybody. Today let's try one hand-free auto flashlight. This brand is unit match. Today I'm unboxing this product. I show how to use the male
masturbator.
Masturbator. This is the green color. It is a sack masturbator cup. This is a quantified safety factor. QC pass 0.1. Okay. This is a USB charge. It is waterproof. Magnet charge. Okay, this is a manual unit. It is English. Brand unit. Benzene green. Material ABS TPE. Rate recurrence 0.75A. Relate wallet 3.7 wallet. Charge 5 voltage and 0.58. Suspension USB charge. Okay. ADD appropriate amount of hormone. How to use it? First, use the hormone lubricant to the product insert port. Please use with the lubricant. After switch on, inject penny. Apply the appropriate amount of lubricant. Slowly insert it and charge fully before the first use. When it understands. Okay, maintenance. First, turn off the clean. Okay. Turn out the bullet from the sleeve in general and avoid warrant pulling. Turn this sleeve insert out. Okay. Please. This button is the adjust button. This button is the sucking button. This button is the vibrating button. This button is power. Switch long pressed to longer pressed. 2 seconds. Switch. Okay. With the adjust button, longer press start the strongest sucking and vibrating mode. Release. Stop the adjust mode and on the standby mode. Sucking mode. Click the sucking mode once to start sucking function. Click again and change 3 mode longer press turn off this sucking function. Vibrating button click once to start the vibrating function. Click again and change mode. There is 3 modes. Longer button turn on. Okay, let's do it. Check it. This is male masturbator is very beautiful, and the color is ink green. Okay, let's open this place. Oh my god. Yeah, this is white color, and this one, this internet is there. Okay, let's first. This is power on. Yeah, power on. First, needed the power on. And the first one, why? Okay, let's read the manual. Or just suck. Let's try the wave button. Okay, this is the wave button. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Press the for long, it will power off. Okay, let's try the suck button. Oh. Please view. It will suck. It dare do. Three mode. Let's change the sound. Change the mode. Okay. This is the 3 mode for this. Okay. The suck is 3 mode. This is 1. Okay, and change it. And change it again. Okay, let's turn it off. Yeah, that's enough. Okay, and then change the orgasm button. It's this one. Oh. Oh. This is longer place. Start strong is second wave mode. Yeah, when you release it, it will stop. Okay, this is very strong power. Okay, this one wave power have 3 modes, 6 modes. Let's change it. Fade. This is wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, vibrating 4, wave 5, wave 6. Yeah. Okay. Okay, and press this power and the power off. Yeah. Okay. Click it. Let's close it. Press the button. Okay, this is PP back and protect it. This is a current hand-free male masturbator. And Yeah. How to charge it? Okay. Charge it. This place. This place will charge it and it's waterproof. Just go. This is. Okay. 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 This is the charge. This place is charge. Okay. Oops. This is the great male massage toy and hand-free. Auto suck cup. Okay. Yes. Normally. Yeah. Yeah. And now this is okay and finished. This is the gradually online sex toy store, and you can if you like it, you can buy it on my website. And this is my arranged video. And our store offer free shipping if you order over $59. Okay, normally it will take 7 or 10 days to USA by the air package. About 15 days to Europe. Yeah. This is well perfect, well great, and is the newest male massage toy. If you like it, click here this button. If you love my YouTube channel, you can subscribe, and I will share the newest sex toy for you. And in my store, this price is affordable, and I will update this sex toy on my store, new sex toy on my store, because I have over 100 supplied manufacturing with my website. Okay, thank you. Also, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Bye bye.